Are you looking to get a premium WordPress themes for your website and paying nothing? In this video, I'll show you how to get premium WordPress themes for free in 2024. One of the best places to find your favorite theme is on the themeforest.net. They offer a wide range of premium themes from business to personal blogs, but it's not free. And here is how you can get them for free in 4 steps. Step number 1. Visit themeforest.net and search for your desired theme. Select the premium theme and copy the name of the theme. Step number 2. Open a new tab, visit wplocker.com and paste the name of the premium WordPress theme in the search section and press enter. Once you have found the perfect theme version, click on the theme and copy one of the URLs below and paste it in a new tab. Next, simply click on the download button and you will finally get the premium WordPress theme for free.